Hello, we are still in Unit 6. We're getting toward the end of it. This is session 5A.3. And these two pages should go fairly quickly. We are still referring to place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. The kids might refer to them as flats, skinnies, and bits. What we're seeing here is what they call sticker notation in our math series, and right here they're wanting an equation. So if this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 3, then over here we would be writing 70 plus 3 equals 73. Be sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then, of course, if you get down to the flats, these are hundreds. These are 10 tens put together. So over here, you would say how many hundreds plus how many skinnies plus how many bits in the answer. The only difference down here is they're giving you a number and you must draw it with stickers. So if this said 246, there's a 2 in the hundreds place. And there's a 4 in the tens place. And there's a 6 in the ones place. You're just representing it in picture form. So I think they'll be fairly good at that. Then over here we have some expanded form. So they're up here wanting you to separate. This is just tens and ones. So they're asking you this, and parents, it's easy to say this is a 7, but remember this is a 7 in the tens place. So we want to refer to that number as 70. If the 1 was not there, this would be a 0 and it would be 70. So the only thing you might see is a student putting a single digit there, and we want them to go ahead and practice and know that that is 70. And then 1, if you come down here, it's the same thing. Again, we don't want to see 1, 6, 2. If we see a mistake, that's probably the most common mistake. We don't want to refer to this as a 1. We want to refer to this as 100. So when we're writing that out, we want to talk about that. This is not a 6, this is 60. Now we will refer to this as a 2 because that is exactly what it represents. And then when you come down here, you are putting together. So this is a plus 0. They should automatically know that when you add or subtract 0, the number stays the same. But if you get down to a number like this, 300 plus 90 plus 7, we're hoping that they see that this 9 in the tens place is going to jump into this tens place spot, and that the bits, because these are zeros, this number will not change. So we're still going to have 300s. There's only 9 tens here, and there are only 7 bits. Okay, have fun doing math.